Okay, this one's how to work with images, as I've seen quite a few with the templates a little bit out of whack, so I thought I'd help with images. So, first is to go and view your grid lines by clicking on Layout, View Grid Lines. Next will be to see the carriage returns, so format text, reveal codes, and that way then you know exactly where there's spaces where they shouldn't be, and you know exactly where the carriage returns are. So we will just add some before we proceed, and we're going to have a go at inserting an image, and hopefully I'm going to be picking an image that's too big, but we'll find out in a minute. So to insert an image is up to the Insert tab, click on Pictures, this device, and then you search for the image. And for this one, I'm going to insert this one because I know it's too big. And it looks fine there, but when you scroll up, you'll see that it's actually widened. So we can fix this easily by clicking on the corner of the image, and you'll notice the different shape of the cursor. It's now a double-sided arrow. So click on that, hold down your Shift key because that will maintain proportion, and then just go and slide it in a little bit until you notice that the borders don't move anymore. And keep holding the Shift key, and you just make it bigger and smaller, and you can see how that resizes. So you just take it until it just starts to get smaller, let it go, and there's your image size. The other way you can check what image size you can have to insert in a certain area is to right-click on the image and click Size and Position. And in this window, it shows you the width, which is at this point what you're interested in. So you know once you've inserted an image, you want it 15.5 centimetres wide as a maximum. So if we were to insert an image into this area, for instance, we would go Insert, Picture, this device, search the picture, insert, and it's gone too big. We know from checking before we want it 15.5. Right click on the large image, Size and Position, Absolute, highlight the whole lot, go 15.5, hit enter, and it automatically resizes it and adjusts the template table width accordingly. So that's how you can make sure that you maintain the width of your emails by using the image size, either doing it manually by using the crosshair double-sided cursor, hold down the Shift key and that will maintain proportion, and then make it larger or smaller. So you can see how that works. And then because you checked before, you can right click, size 15.5, that's exactly what you need. Same with up here, if you want to change the header, you can right click on that, change picture from file, pick a file that you want to change it to, insert. Usually it will insert it at the size that was. Made an error, it's easy, Control Z, or I think it's File Undo or something like that. I actually don't use the manual ones, I think they are at the top. So that's how you play with images.